Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily transfer files between your phone and your PC without any extra apps. Okay, let's get started. First, Windows 11 has a built-in feature called Phone Link. Just go to Start and then over here, you will see the Phone Link panel. So make sure your Windows PC is already connected to your phone. If you don't know how to set it up, just check the tutorial link in the description below. And then next to transfer files to send, for example, first to send a file from your PC or laptop to your phone, just simply click on send files, this one, and then next just select the files that you want to send to your phone over here like this, and then next just to click on send, and it will automatically send to your phone. And then next to send the And then next to send files from your phone to your laptop, I will just go to start again, and then first I will just open the phone screen feature. Just click on the three dots icon and then just click on open phone screen and then confirm it on your phone like this. And then next to send files, just tap on send files, and then over here you can choose the files that you want, like maybe photos, videos, or document, or maybe uh, take a photo from the camera directly. For example, I will just send a file like this. As you can see, your file is successfully transferred into your laptop like this. And okay, that's it. It's super easy and so convenient. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.